Good morning, all of you. I'm Dr. Priyanka Chaparwal, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, University of Engineering and Management, Jaipur. So we continue the set theory. So in today's lecture, we have discussed on operation of set. So first operation is union of set, second is intersection of set, and third is complement of set. So what is union of set? Union of set is suppose we have a two set A and B, then the union of set A and B is the set of all element which belongs to A or to B, and or both, means the set of all element which belongs to either A or B or both. So A union B, the sign of union is this is the sign of union A union B. And we take one example. Suppose we have a two set A and set B. Set A have a element 2, 4, 5, 6, and set B have a element 4, 6, 7, 8. So A union B is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, means the combination of both, it is the A union B. If always remember, if A belongs to set A union B, then A belongs to A or A belongs to B, means each element must be written only once in the union of set. If you have one element A, small a is the element of set A union B, belongs to A union B, then the element A maybe belongs to set A or maybe belongs to set B. So each element must be written only once in the union of set. Then intersection of set. The intersection of sets. So we have two sets, set A and B. Then the intersection of two set is set of all elements that are in both A and B, which is belongs to both A and B. Then it is the intersection, means which is common in set A and set B, then it is called the intersection of two sets. So this is the sign of intersection A. We can say it is A intersection B. For example, suppose we have a set A have a element 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and set B have a element 3, 5, 7, 9. Then which element is common in set A and set B? It is the intersection. So we see that 3 and 5 are two elements are same in set A and B, then it is the intersection. So A intersection B have a two element 3 and 5. If A belongs to A, if A belongs to A intersection B, then A is element of set A and element of set B, means if one element is there, small a is belongs to A intersection B, then A is element of set A and A is also the element of set B, just opposite of union. Then complement of set. The set of element U is the, what is U? The set of, we have discussed on last video, what is U? U is the universal set. So which are not element of set A is called the complement of set. So symbolically denoted by the sign of complement, it is A bar, it is complement of A. For example, we have a one union set. Union is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and second set is set A. Set A have a element 1, 3, 7. Then what is the complement? Complement is the which are the element not belongs to set A. It is the complement of set A, means which element is belongs to set A and which elements which are not belongs to set A, then it is the complement of A. So 1, 3, 7 is the part of set A, then 2, 4, 5, 6 remaining element are the complement of set A. So we take another one example. Let U is the universal set and A is another set, then find the A complement. So we note that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are the only element of union which do not belongs to set A. So A complement is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The second example, in school there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. Of these, 12 teach mathematics and 4 teach both physics and mathematics. So how many teachers teach physics? So we wish to determine many teachers teach physics. So M denote the capital M denote the set of teachers who teach mathematics, and P denote the set of teachers who teach physics. In the statement, you always remember, in the statement of the problem, you always remember the word or. The word or give us the clue of union, and the word and is give us the clue of intersection. When or is there means it is the union, and is given, then it is the intersection. So therefore we have an M union P is 20, because 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. So it is M union P is 20. Of these 12 teach mathematics, so M is 12, and 4 teach both physics and mathematics, so M intersection P is 4. We wish to determine how many teachers teach physics. So we using this result, M union P, it is the one theorem, Mn plus Np minus Mn intersection P. So we apply this formula and we put the value of the variable, and we got Np is 12. Hence 12 teachers teach physics.